فٹ ہائٹ کورس جدید طبی اور سائنسی تحقیق نے ثابت کیا چھوٹا قد ہارمونز میں خرابی کی وجہ سے ہوتا ہے۔ یہ ایک بیماری ہے جس کا علاج ممکن ہے۔ تاثیر دواخانہ آپ کو فراہم کر رہے ہیں نہایت خالص قدرتی جڑی بوٹیوں سے تیار کیا گیا فٹ ہائٹ کورس۔ گھر بیٹھیں ابھی میڈیسن منگوانے کے لیے ابھی کال کریں۔
Welcome to Taysir Dawakina. Dear patient, this is for your kind information. If you want to contact or call to Taysir Dawakina, our call time is 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Friday off. Hakeem and Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taysir, Consultant Sexologist Alternative Medicine, Specialist Expert Male and Female, Infertility Chairman Taysir Patient Welfare Society, 0334-9552889, 0300-9552889, 0321-9552889. You can contact to Taysir Medical Board, Hakeems and Lady Doctors, for consultation about the old complicated and hidden sexual problems, male and female infertility, and all general diseases. Our contact numbers are given below. 0333-5501390, 0323-5501390 for free consultation. Erection stiffness duration, erectile dysfunction, lose erection, please contact on these numbers. 0332-5607654, 0331-5607654, for free consultation. Regarding penis enlargement treatment, bent penis, curvature penis, small penis, please contact on these numbers. 0337-7007101, 0332-7007101, female consultation. Women health issues, lechorrhea, periods problem, small breast, male and female infertility, and all general height, weight lose, weight gain. Please contact on these numbers. 0336-5777696 for female consultation. Women health issues, height, lechorrhea, periods problem, small breast size, pregnancy, male and female infertility, all general diseases. Please contact on these numbers. 0336-5777697, 0332-1500540. In case of any emergency, you can contact directly to Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taysir. 0332-1500548, 0332-1500549. Address: Taysir Dawakina and Taysir Herbal Pharma, I-111, Iqbal Road, attached Punjab Bank, near Comedy Chowk, Rawalpindi, Pakistan. Websites: www.taysirdawakina.com, www.taysirlabs.com, www.drtariqtaysir.com, www.taysirlab.com, www.taysirherbalpharma.com.